What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best automatic litter box for large cats of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. Do I have to include the links in the description box below which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Tonepie Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box. I've been using the Tonepie 65L Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box for a few weeks now, and it has completely transformed the way I manage my cat's litter. The self-cleaning feature is a game changer, no more dealing with dust or scooping dirty litter. With just one click, the old litter is emptied, leaving the box fresh and clean. The innovative deodorization technology works wonders in keeping my home odor-free. The ionic deodorizer kicks in right after my cats use the box, and it's so effective that I hardly notice any smell at all. It's reassuring to know it's safe and doesn't require any consumable replacements. What I love most is how low maintenance this litter box is. It's large enough for my 3 cats, and I don't have to worry about constantly changing the litter. Overall, the Tonepie 65L litter box has made my life easier and my home cleaner. I can't imagine going back to a regular litter box now. Number 2. Tonepie Enclosed Cat Litter Box. The Tonepie 65L Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box for a while now, and it's truly been a game changer. The automatic cleaning mode is fantastic, no more dealing with dusty scooping sessions. It's amazing to watch it clean itself with just a click, emptying all the old litter at once. It's been a relief not having to scoop anymore. What really stands out is how low maintenance this litter box is. It's spacious enough for my 2 cats, and I don't have to change the litter often. When it's time to clean, the 2-part design makes it super easy to disassemble, and I can even flush the litter cylinder. Just make sure the base stays dry. The thoughtful design inspired by a lunar capsule ensures that my cats, even the short-legged one, are comfortable and safe. Number 3. Tonepie Smart Cat Litter Box. After using the Tonepie Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box app control pet toilet litter tray ionic Deodorizer 65 for several weeks, I'm impressed by how much easier it has made life for me and my cats. The first thing that stood out was the automatic cleaning feature. It's quiet, operating at less than 35 dB, and it efficiently cleans the litter box with just a click. The 9L litter capacity means I'm not constantly refilling it, which is a huge time saver. The box's design is well thought out. It's spacious, with a 65L in a space that comfortably fits my cats. The entrance is 24.5 centimeters in diameter, making it easy for my pets to get in and out. Despite its size, the litter box is easy to maintain. The app control is a fantastic feature, especially when I'm not home. I can monitor the litter box and even trigger a cleaning cycle remotely, which adds a level of convenience I didn't know I needed. Number 4. Deodorizer Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box. I've been using the 2024 Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box self-cleaning app control pet toilet litter tray ionic Deodorizer 65L, and it has truly simplified litter box management in my home. The fully enclosed design keeps everything neat and contained, which is perfect for minimizing mess and keeping my cats comfortable. The automatic self-cleaning feature is a game changer. It quietly goes to work after my cats use it, and the app control allows me to monitor and manage the box even when I'm not at home. The design is practical and well thought out. The 65L capacity is ample for my cats, and the plastic material is durable and easy to clean. Overall, the 2024 Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box has exceeded my expectations. It's efficient, easy to use, and has made maintaining a clean litter area much less of a chore. I highly recommend it to any cat owner looking for a hassle-free solution. Number 5. Enclosed Large Cat Toilet Litter Tray. After using the 65L Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box self-cleaning fully enclosed large cat toilet litter tray, I can confidently say it's been a fantastic addition to my home. The automatic cleaning system is incredibly efficient. It uses advanced sensors to monitor my cat's usage and promptly cleans the litter box, which means I no longer have to deal with the hassle of scooping. The one-click litter replacement function is particularly impressive, as it empties all the old litter at once, saving me both time and effort. Overall, this litter box is low maintenance and spacious enough for my 3 cats. It's easy to clean, assemble, and disassemble, making it a truly hands-free solution for busy pet owners. I highly recommend it. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.